Well guys, here's the results. 2 coats of the Varathane 2X floor primer. I'm sorry, floor poly. It looks pretty good. It looks cool. The only problem is there certainly is grain raise, which happened last time to us as well. So we're gonna have to sand and do one more coat. This is the second floor. This was done already. This was sanded in between the last coat and you could hear it. It doesn't sound too bad. Versus, if we go down here, it sounds maybe the same, but I could tell you it's way worse. It's definitely would like hurt your feet if you were gonna like run across it barefoot or whatnot. So anyways, that kind of sucks. We're gonna have to, you know, sand it by hand. How did we sand it last time? Let me see. The way we sanded it was with these pole sanders, if that's what they're called. Put some sandpaper on them and do it by hand. So with 200 grit. And then we got all the grain rays out that way. Nice and smooth, and we did a final coat. So that's what we're gonna have to do, unfortunately, for this entire first floor. But overall, this I like the color. There's no stain. There's no stain on this floor. This is just the Varathane 2X Clear Satin poly. Yeah, I got it from Home Depot. I can't complain too much about the product. So far, so good with it. Clear satin. But unfortunately, yeah, gonna have to sand it all down lightly to smooth it out and then do a third and final coat. So thanks for watching and subscribe if you are interested. This isn't gonna be a channel about home improvements, but I'm pretty handy in general. It's gonna be a car channel. I got 2 cars in the garage that are gonna be, you know, like the topics of the channel. But right now we have a mess. So this house requires a lot of renovation. That's what I've been doing, and look at this mess that we have. But yeah, I don't know if you could see in there. Maybe someone will be able to guess what kind of car that is. There's 2 in there. All right, that's it guys. See you next time.